How to sign in to a Microsoft account on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to link it for a fully synced experience. First, click the Start button. Click Settings. After that, click Accounts. From there, click Your Accounts. At this point, click Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. In the next step, enter your email or phone number linked to your Microsoft account. Following this, click Next. Once done, enter your password. From here, click Sign in. At this stage, if prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Keep in mind, signing in syncs your settings, files, and apps across any other device using the same Microsoft account. Finally, click Done once your account is successfully linked. And that's it. If this guide helped you sign into your Microsoft account on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.